sentences and its clauses, or joining, or splitting. Sentences according to structures are of three kinds. 1. Simple sentence. 2. Complex sentence. 3. Compound sentence. 1. Simple sentence. A simple sentence is one that contains only one subject and one finite verb expressed or understood. He goes to school every day. Examples: come. Here, subject is omitted. The boy reads a book. 2. Complex sentence. A complex sentence is one that contains one principal clause and one or more subordinate clause or clauses. Examples: A. I know is the principal clause. That he is honest is the subordinate clause. B. This is the boy is the principal clause. Who did it is the subordinate clause. 3. Compound sentence. A compound sentence is one that contains two or more independent clauses or coordinating clauses joined together by coordinating conjunctions like and, or, but, as well as, either or, neither nor, etc. Examples: Salil is a good boy and he loves his brother. Salil is a good boy is a coordinating clause. He loves his brother is a coordinating clause. You may read the book or leave the class. You may read the book is a coordinating clause. Leave the class is a coordinating clause. Difference of clause and phrase. A phrase is a group of words which does not contain a finite verb. A clause is a group of words that contains a finite verb. He gave me a gold chain. Gold chain is a phrase. He gave me a chain which was made of gold. Which was made of gold is a clause.
Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.